Hello and welcome to Ideas in Trends. Today we are going to show you different, beautiful and amazing designs of LED strip lights. These are the latest designs for decorating your beautiful homes and make it more peaceful and calm. The LED strip lights are very popular material in lighting decoration. People are very happy using this light strip when they light up their rooms, cars and many things they want to light. The effect is awesome. You need to know what is the best LED strip light ideas. LED light strips have a variety of applications. Here are more than 80 ideas in this video, so you can watch and find the beautiful idea for your home. LED strip light has many kinds: single color, CCT change, RGB red strip light, RGBW LED strip light and magic color LED light tape. We have better know how to use these strip light first, and in this video there are many professionals will show you their experience. Here are the ideas you can see in this video. LED strip light for room lighting, LED strip light for TV backside lighting, LED strip light for car lighting, LED strip light for Christmas tree lighting, LED strip light for theater lighting, LED strip light for closet lighting, LED strip light for stairs lighting, LED strip light for shelf lighting, LED strip light for motorcycle lighting, LED strip light for mirror lighting, LED strip light for sewing machine lighting, LED strip light for room ceiling lighting, LED strip light for kitchen cabinet lighting, LED strip light for jewelry display case lighting, LED strip light for furniture lighting, LED strip light for camping lighting, LED strip light for the bridge building lighting, LED strip light for boat lighting, LED strip light for bike lighting, LED strip light for bar KTV lighting. So, wall lighting depends on different places using different CCT. We can use LED strip light for room lighting, recessed wall lighting, surface mounted wall lighting, decorative wall lighting. Normally for home using warm white, for commercial lighting, nurture white. The lighting wall is not a difficult job. Let's check what materials you need to use in your home. So, hope you have found the idea in this video and you will must share your choice in the comment section. So, watch the ideas. Thank you.